In this video, we're going to show you the easiest way to get a wheelchair in and out of a car. First, assess whether you feel physically capable of lifting the chair in and out of the vehicle. Consider any back problems, joint problems, or any cardiac issues. Next, assess whether the car boot is big enough to hold the wheelchair. We recommend placing a bin liner on the floor of the boot to make it easier to slide the wheelchair in. It's also a good idea to place a towel over the lip of the boot to protect your vehicle. First, we remove the foot plates to lighten the wheelchair and make handling easier. You may find it easier to put these in the car after you've got the wheelchair in. Remove any cushions and place them to one side. Pull up on the canvas to collapse the wheelchair. Fold down the backrest. If you're struggling with the weight of the chair, you can also remove the armrests to lighten the load. When you lift the chair, be sure to hold on to the frame rather than any moving parts like the backrest. Bend from the knees and push up from your legs to lift the chair straight into the car. Place any removable parts into the boot alongside the wheelchair. If you have a large boot space, the walking frame can be placed in the boot next to the wheelchair. If not, you may need to place the frame on the back seat. Be careful not to hurt your back as you place it in the car. Secure the walking frame with a rear seat belt if it's being transported on the back seat. Removing the wheelchair is the same procedure in reverse. Unfold the towel over the lip of the boot to protect your vehicle. First, remove all of the loose pieces of the wheelchair from the boot space so they don't cause an obstruction. Slide the wheelchair back to the edge of the boot and get a good hold on the frame. Keep a straight back and lift the wheelchair up over the lip of the boot and bend from the knees to bring it onto the ground. We have another video that goes into detail on how to collapse a wheelchair and reassemble it, so we'll link that down below. Unclip the seatbelt to free the walking frame. Slide it out of the vehicle, being careful not to injure your back. Be sure to watch our other wheelchair videos for more tips. You'll find links to these below.